So in this video we are going to be talking about the KW1. This little gadget right here is a useful tool for cracking the codes for keys such as this deadbolt key. See, each one of these little ridges on it is a different number, because if you see right there, there's 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these numbers are all where the pins are at. So if you take a closer look at this, right, you can see that some parts are down more than others. So we'll take this homemade deadbolt that I ended up doing up, and we're gonna lock it so you can see that it works. So that's the key, and we're going to use this master key to figure out the numbers to cut for these to work on that. So what I like to do is I like to bring the bar all the way back and up, so the little hook there is hidden. I put it into there, into the keyhole, and I put a little bit of pressure on it, because now you see that it is at the front, which is perfect. And I also want you to make sure you pay attention to the big numbers and the small ones. So you see that it's all free use up here. But let's start at 5. There's a nice click right there. I'm surprised that actually clicked the first try. So let's do 4. Feels like it is kind of moving, but also stuck at the same time. Let's go over to number 3. Oh, there's 2 clicks. That is a good sign. So that one's free. That one is stuck. And that one clicked. So let's go over to number 2. Binding, clicked. It ended up clicking right on number, looks like 2 or 3. So let's go over to number 1. And there we have it. This key, this KW1, ended up successfully unlocking this deadbolt, home security deadbolt. So if we take the lock on the back, lock it back into place, and use the key to make sure that it's not messed up on the inside, goes in and turns. So let's lock it one more time, and I'm going to show you again. So let's put the tool in, take the tensioning bar out, and let's go from 5 again. Five clicked right about on number 5, or actually that's number 4. So let's go over to number 2. Looks like it's already set at number 5. And it looks like it is number 2. Yeah, 2. So let's go over to the second pin. So around 2 and 3. Looks like it's closer to 3. Okay, let's go over to number 1. And it is 4. And the reason I like this tool is because it is much easier to use than those single hand picks, but also you also need to have the single picks just in case of any small locks like this trainer lock that I have. With all these pins, this wouldn't be able to go into it because it's not the right size. And either is this. None of these locks is able to be solved with this unless, yeah, because see, that one isn't even the right size either. So with that, this is why I like to have this tool and also my other tools, my single lock picking pins for small padlocks like these. And that is basically the reason why most locksmiths has these with them, to make it easier and to figure out the combination for the key. And I'd also like to thank all of you for 31 subscribers. It is amazing on all the love and support that I'm getting on this channel, and I'm truly thankful for all of it. I am hoping to be getting way more videos and way more tools to show you guys out on how to learn how to pick lock. But for now, I'd just like to say thank you and see you next time from the unknown.